Hello friends, this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome to my very first food review. So, I ordered 1 kg of Russian salad from Farmaish's Facebook page. They deliver it only in Lahore. I ordered the ones without nuts and with delivery to my house, I got it for 550 rupees. It comes in this reusable plastic container with their logo on the lid. The price is really good, to be honest. That's how deep the container is, and oh my god, it looks so mouth-watering. Yummy! So, in this Russian salad, we have these bits of pineapples, peaches, and coconut. There is shredded chicken breasts, almonds, and a cherry as well. The quantity is enough for 2 to 3 people to eat. So, as I digged more in there were apples and elbow macaroni stew in it. It's one of the best Russian salads taste-wise I have ever had in Lahore, guys. I will rate it 5 by 5.